The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Vegetables preparation. Heat the pan. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add 3 potatoes, chopped vertically. Fry until golden brown. Drain the excess oil and keep aside. Now add 1 cup chopped mushroom. Fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Drain the excess oil and keep aside. Add 200 grams Indian cheese, recipe in the description box. Fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Drain the excess oil and keep aside. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add ½ cup chopped French beans. ½ cup sliced carrot. 1 sliced capsicum. ½ cup green peas. Fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Drain the excess oil and keep aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 200 grams chopped cauliflower. Fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Keep it aside. Add 2 tablespoons oil. 1 sliced onion. Sauté for 2 minutes. 1 teaspoon cumin. 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Sauté for a minute. Add 1 cup tomato puree. Half a tablespoon salt. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, recipe in the description box. Add 9 slit green chilies. Cover and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Now add the fried vegetables. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook on slow flame for 10 minutes. Vegetables are ready. Rice preparation. Heat the large vessel. Add 2 cup water. Half a tablespoon salt. 2 bay leaves. Half a tablespoon cumin. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Bring to boil. Add 2 cups soaked basmati rice. Boil on high flame. When holes appears, reduce the heat. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Make a big hole in center. Now add the cooked vegetables. Handful of mint leaves. Handful of chopped coriander. ½ cup fried onion, recipe in the description box. Cover the vegetables with rice. Generous pinch of saffron soaked in 2 tablespoons warm water. Cook on slow flame for 10 minutes. Vegetable pulao is ready. Garnish with mint leaves and fried onion. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.